Hey guys, are you tired of having a cutting board and a knife? Don't you wish that these two items were together as one? Maybe you don't, but sometimes you might. And when you do, you need this. A cutting board and a knife in one. Let's crack it open and take a look at it. Look at that. So here we have the answer to your problem. Now you can cut on a cutting board without even having a cutting board, all in one. So this is definitely a pretty unique idea. How good can it be implemented? We will find out. So it looks like we have some kind of bottle opener here on the bottom. That's kind of interesting. A nice grippy handle that's like plastic with some soft touch, like hard rubber or something. Looks like our knife is up here and the cutting board is below it. It seems to be a pretty good construction overall. Here on the back we have a little release. Let's go ahead and release that. I guess you pull it down like that. Okay, it's a lock. That locks it. And then that makes it pop open. Pretty cool. I can totally see maybe cutting celery or something small, green onions or whatever else. This could definitely work, and just chop it up. Chop, 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 chop. And you're done, and you have just this little piece to wash. All right guys, so let's see what we can cut with it. All right, so here we have a bell pepper, and this is a pretty big item here, and a little orange here, or tangerine, whatever this is. So let's see how good this 2-in-1 cutting knife slash board does. All right, so the bell pepper is pretty big, but I could still fit it under there. And you can see guys how smooth that was. So I guess the bell pepper is a little bit bigger than this knife could fit, but it still seems to be doing all right. So once you have smaller chunks, it definitely makes it easier to cut. So if you do a lot of small cutting, this could be very useful actually. The knife actually seems pretty sharp. And the cool part is that if you do need to sharpen it, there is enough room to sharpen it. All right, so you did pretty good with the bell pepper, which is kind of delicate. Well, let's move to this orange here and see how it does on the orange. So I'm just gonna cut it in half here. See if I can fit it under there. So these are probably not really good examples, but it's all I had laying around to show you guys. So as you can see, it chopped up the orange real easy. So let's just say I want to make a little, or a few little quarters here. Does surprisingly well. So I think for more specific items, this could do very well actually. And so now that you're done using it, all you got to do is just smash it together here and put the lock on, and it's safe. All right guys, so we're back with round 2, and this time we got some cherry tomatoes. So actually these I cut a lot. Let's see how that does. All right, that's okay. It's actually pretty good. So I am noticing kind of a little bit that the knife doesn't go down all the way yet, especially here in the front. There's a little gap. I think over time when you wear it in, when it cuts just a little bit into the board, it will be perfect. So it's brand new because it seems to be doing a better job back here than it is up front. It doesn't cut all the way up front. Nevertheless, seems like a really cool option. I can totally see, making like a salad really quick. All right guys, so if you're tired of, something like this, then you can definitely get this. It's a lot smaller and a lot more convenient around the kitchen. You just put it in the drawer. And if you don't do a lot of board cutting, this might make a lot more sense. In any case, you do have an option now to have something like this. All right, so if you want to pick this up, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Check out my other videos on this channel. And also, if you like what you see and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.